So on this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to highlight text on Visme. So once you're on Visme, go to the left-hand side of your screen to first off add some text to your design. So right here in the top left, there is a text icon. Press on that. I'm now going to change the text to where it says highlights, just for the theme of this video. I'm then going to change the font here, and I will make this 150. So a little bit too large here. Let's go ahead and make it larger just like that. So if you want to go ahead and highlight this text, it's pretty straightforward. I want you to tap on the text right here, go to the top left and press on edit. Open up this top bar right here, go to where it says A right here, so annotations. Press the drop down. There's none, underline, box, circle, strike through, and cross off. I actually want you to slide down to the bottom two options. There's brackets and highlight. We're just going to go ahead and press on highlight. And if you want to change the color, you can go ahead and do that, or change the thickness by doing that right here. But once that is done, there you go. That's how you guys can highlight text here on Visme. Pretty straightforward. I hope this video helps, and thanks again for watching.